when you have the tiles, you want to make sure that you open up all the boxes and get them out. There's a few reasons for this. One, ease of use when you're tiling. When all the tiles are out of their box, set up properly, you can just tile, bang, 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 and it's so much easier. Now the other reason for it is oftentimes, whether people mean to or not, they break tiles. And when you open up your box, obviously depending on the size of the box and type, you will be able to inspect your tiles. You gotta be careful, because once this thing opens, then your tiles can fall, so just be careful at that point, because they'll fall and sometimes you can break them right then. So what you'll do is you'll take them out and just pick them up and inspect them real quick. So as you pick them up, you're just looking for any chips that might happen. These are all perfect. Now that being said, I want to let you know that TileMaster, actually the one in Kitchener here, they donated these tiles for this job, and they are awesome. I have been using TileMaster for, I'd say, a good 3 years now, and they have never let me down. They're just a great company. I buy like all my material from them. Most of their stuff is some other stuff is brought in specifically for them, and great quality, and I would say a fair price. You won't find your 49-cent square foot stuff, but you also won't find any garbage. So these are the tiles. Once you've got them out, take a look at all of them. Now these particular tiles actually have a small coating of, I guess it's glue that they put on just so they don't scratch each other. So what you'd want to do in this case is take that glue off and make sure it's wiped clean. So you go through, as you're inspecting them, you're also wiping that protective glue off. So it's just enough that they don't scratch into each other. Not much to worry about, but when you're tiling, you don't want to be, every time you tile, to stop, rub this off, and then put it on. You want to be able to just pick it up, put it on, pick it up, put it on, measure, and go. So that's why you want to do it ahead of time.